Today we're going to be finishing the corn tortillas we made. And if you haven't seen part 1 on how to make it, if you want to make it, you should watch part 1. Should just be called corn tortillas part 1, I think, or corn tortillas.
Sure. Okay, so it says to place the tortillas on a hot comal, which we do not have a comal, but it says you can use a dry, large frying pan with no oil or an electric griddle. So we have an electric griddle, which is good because we can cook them all at one time. And we're going to put each one on.
That's what we make pancakes with.
That's what we make pancakes with.
I would really like the big piece.
Oof.
But a part just went like, whee!
So now it says to cook it until it puffs up. And after it puffs up, it inflates. Then we flip it over to cook the other side for the same amount of time. So I started a timer so we can time how long it takes till it starts puffing up.
But maybe a different amount of time for you, depending on what type of electric griddle or what type of thing you're using.
Right. I'll put this little piece on there.
We should give that to Pine. That one.
Yeah.
The small pieces should be for Pine.
Oh, I can hear it.
I hear it sizzling.
It says the water in the tortilla will steam up and inflate it.
That's why there's smoke coming out of them, but not the griddle, because there isn't water on the griddle.
No, it's a dry griddle. So, while we're waiting, should we feed Pine this and see if she likes it?
She does like normal tortilla that is already cooked, but I'm not sure about corn tortilla.
Let's do an experiment.
Pine.
Did she eat it?
Is she?
Yep.
She just ate it like in 1 second.
So, it's approved by Pine.
Oh, it's near your shoe. You may need to step away.
I'll point so Pine sees where it is. Well, it's Pine approved.
Yay! Pine likes it. Oh, there's a piece down here. Pine. She really likes this. She just follows it. She just eats it like in 1 second.
That's pretty great. And then it says,
It's really steaming now.
but they're not puffing up yet, I don't think.
It might be a few more minutes.
Yeah. How long has it been so far?
Oh, I can't see. 2 minutes. The video had been 3 minutes. So we've been cooking it for 3/4 of the video.
Well, we put it really high. We put it at like 400 degrees. I don't know if that's right or not.
Oh, that's really steaming now. The longer you wait it gets, the more steaming it gets. I think that.
Oh, am I starting to see, or is this in my mind? Am I starting to see a bubble right there?
I think that, are those like those things that look like a fingernail that's poked into it?
Well, that was from where I tried to flatten it with this.
Oh. I do see like a little part that's slightly puffed up right there.
Oh, look at this tiny one is puffed up.
Oh.
Oh, our tiny one puffed up. Let's flip our tiny one.
I guess the smaller it is, the easier, the less long it will take to puff up.
Yeah. Let's flip this one.
Probably just spinning around, trying to find some more scraps. Which I don't think there is any more for Pine to have.
No. Unless you give her these little crumbs in here.
I'm just going to get a handful of it and... Whoop. Pine really likes corn. that.
Do you know the word for dog in Spanish?
No.
Perro.
I think I remember that actually.
Can you say it?
Perro.
Yeah, because you're supposed to roll your R. I can't really do that.
Perro.
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 Maybe. Do you know the word for dog in French?
No, since I haven't had French class for years.
Chien. Chien. Can you say that?
Chien.
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 All right, well, let's try cat. What's cat in Spanish?
I forgot.
Gato. Can you say gato?
Gato.
You know, I haven't taken Spanish since I was your age, so I remember all this from when I was your age.
Well, I haven't taken French class for like 2 years.
Do you remember what cat is in French? Chat.
Chat.
Chien. Chat.
Yeah.
Chien. And what is it in Spanish?
Perro.
Yeah.
Perro.
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 We'll have to ask Daddy to say it. Perro. Because I don't know how to say it.
Perro.
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 Maybe we should get a pronunciation from the internet. You stay there. I'll look for a pronunciation.
Pine's just going everywhere to find the scraps. Find scraps.
Let's listen.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro. Perro.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro. Perro.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro.
I don't know how to say it like that.
Perro.
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 Perro. I can't see it.
Yeah, that was tough.
I can't say it. Ah! Fine, there's no other crumbs.
So these other ones aren't really,
It might take like a few more minutes.
they're kind of not really puffing up, but they seem cooked. You think we should, maybe we should just flip them.
Yeah. Let's just flip all of
It's
these.
been 6 minutes. Oops. 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
But it might puff up for you since we just don't know what we're doing.
That
Maybe-
is true.
Maybe half batch doesn't work. Maybe.
I mean, they look okay. But maybe, so we cooked them for 6 minutes on one side and it says to do the same on the other side. So how much is that total?
12 minutes. So this video will be about 13 minutes.
Mm-hmm. What else should we talk about? You know what's a Spanish word?
What?
Piñata. And what did you do the other day?
Break a piñata. And then after I just ate a bunch of candy, and I got a bellyache after.
You ate a lot of candy. What kind of candy?
Starburst and Nerds and Skittles.
And you had like 4 Nerds
Yes.
and like two Starbursts and like 2 Skittles and birthday cake.
Yeah.
No wonder you had a bellyache.
This one looks like it's the most cooked.
This one?
Yeah, the back one.
Yeah.
Perro.
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 Perro. Perro.
Hey, that sounded good.
Perro. I just put my tongue up and then push my breath through.
Oh.
Perro.
Perro.
Perro. You see, you just stick your tongue at the top of your mouth and then breathe out while you say it.
It might be harder because you're missing a tooth.
Perro.
That sounds good.
I am missing 3 teeth. Perro. Perro.
Pine is a
Perro. Perro. It isn't working because of my teeth.
perro. Pine is a perro.
Perro. Perro. I think the teeth are actually making it harder.
Should we show Pine? There she goes, looking for more tortilla, corn tortilla.
There isn't really any more on the ground. She's just going everywhere. Oh, 3 more minutes.
Because what are we at now?
9 minutes.
What are you going to eat on, we're going to have them with fajitas, but you don't really like fajitas. Are you going to put butter on yours?
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Maybe you should try, maybe this one's, oh, this one looks like a chip.
I'll just blow it off.
It's pretty hot right now. It's like really hot.
I'll blow this. You cold one?
It's pretty hot. I'm going to show everyone the tiny tortilla. It's hot. You want to just try a little piece?
Oh yeah, it doesn't feel hot to your finger, but it tastes hot.
How does it taste?
Doesn't take like really that much.
You want some butter on it?
And then we can wait for it to cool off. And there's only 2 more minutes. And maybe we could put it in once it cools off, we could put it in the microwave to melt the butter.
Well, here, the butter's probably going to get melted because that's hot. You want some salt on it? Let's add some salt. All right, let's see.
Good.
Is it good? Let's see. This seems like it's probably cooked. So there's our cooked flour tortilla. I think they're done
Yay!
because they were such a hot griddle. Here's the second one.
One can be the butter one.
And our biggest one.
I want the biggest one.
Oh, of course you do. You want the biggest one as a butter one?
Yeah. Butter and salt one.
What do we say about butter?
I don't know. More butter, more better.
That's what we say. Do you remember matzahs?
No?
Oh. Matzah's like a cracker, and we always eat it with butter and salt. And just like a corn tortilla, apparently.
Oh, now I remember. It's like a big cracker.
Mm-hmm. And we eat it with butter and salt, and now you're eating this with butter and salt. All right, I'm going to show everybody how you take a big bite and how it tastes.
Looks like this. Oh, it's hot.
Is it really hot?
Yeah, I can feel it really quickly.
Oh. Maybe just a smaller piece then. How is it?
Good.
Good? Do you recommend other people try to make them?
Yeah. It might go better for you than us or worse.
That's how it could turn out.
Maybe a full batch will work better.
Do you want to say anything to your Spanish teacher? Like, thanks for the recipe?
Thanks for the recipe. Adios.